My name is Darleen, and I'm new to this whole EHarmony thing, but I'm going to take a whack at it. So I'm going to just start talking and see what kind of response I get from you guys. Okay, so I'm a recent graduate from Northwestern University, and I have a PhD in human anatomy. I took a weird turn in my career planning and decided to take an internship at Playgirl magazine, where I am constantly surrounded by penis. I'm sorry. I really love being, and I get kind of emotional when I talk about it. Anyway, I love writing and photography and long walks on the beach. I'm sorry. I'm thinking about penises again. And how there's just so many lonely ones out there, that just don't have a home, and I just want to squeeze them all and hug them, but I can't, and I don't know why. I just want to hug them, but I want a rainbow, and I don't understand why they won't let me hear the penises anymore. I'm sorry. Like I was saying, I like meeting new people and trying new types of restaurants and going to the beach where there's lots of penis. And they told me I can't be near them anymore, and I don't know why. All of them, little bows, and they're lonely. I just want to hold them and make them feel better. But I can't. I'm sorry. I can't. I